Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix overheating problems on Black Shark Pad SE. So if your device is overheated, disconnect it from the charger temporarily and remove its protective case for a while to improve the device's heat dissipation. Then what we want to do is make sure that, first of all, this device isn't in the range of direct sun beams, so make sure to move it away from direct sunlight, and also make sure that your tablet is in a well ventilated area or well ventilated room. Swipe down the control center, go to settings, and here we want to scroll down until you find zero speed feature and enable this feature. It will limit your applications, limit the background usage for every application you have installed on your app. Make sure that no application here has its toggle switched on. Then also let's go to our battery section on the sidebar, open it. Now here we'll be able to check the battery usage and see the battery usage by application. If you see some application using too much of your battery resources, you can select it and then disable background usage for this application, at least for some time. Then let your device cool down for about 15 minutes. You can either turn it off or just lock this device. And after 15 minutes, it should cool down by itself. And after that, you can continue working on your tablet. Just make sure to not abuse it while you have it connected to the charger. And certainly do not game on it while you have it connected to your charger. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.